Hi, welcome to the Qualitrol video of how to clean optical fibers for temperature measurement. We have a cleaning kit here that's available from Fiber Instrument Sales or through Qualitrol. And this kit contains of some dry wipes, alcohol wipes, polishing paper, which we really don't need because these fibers are already in the ST connectors. Some IkiClean, which is good if you've got stickum or some other polymer stuck to the fiber, but usually not necessary. Fiber Wash MX Precision Cleaner, and of course Q-tips. So we have a fiber. It's been around the block. It's quite dirty. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this alcohol wipe and we're going to clean this. There's a specific way to do that so that you don't leave residue on the probe tip. Open up our wipe, wipe this around the ferrule one direction, and the last time we pull away from the point cleanly so that we take everything right off, and you can see that we've removed some junk from that. Now we'll take the fiber itself and we'll make a figure 8 polishing motion, and this is going to clean off the fiber itself, and it's not going to leave streaks. Now you can use this with a lint-free cloth and isopropanol 100% that you can get if you need to in a pinch. Now we'll take a dry wipe. It's non-woven, so it is lint-free, and we'll clean the probe again. So this probe is now basically clean and ready to be checked. We've got a Nomad Touch portable thermometer along here. You can see this is the mating end of the ST connector, and this is where we're going to need our Q-tips. So again, this is a lint-free Q-tip. We can use the Precision Wash, put some of that on this. You could also just dip this in isopropanol if you wanted into the fiber mating port, and we twist, and then we pull out all at once. So this is now clean. Now we've cleaned a fiber previously. This was running at about 7% efficiency, and now with the cleaning, we're at about 28% signal strength instead of the 7 that we originally started at. So that's the best way to clean your fibers. And if you have any questions, email us at info@qualitrolcorp.com.